Hello Libras, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, a little different. So, this is going to be a reading for the month of December. Now, it'll be different from the way I do my other zodiac readings. So, I'll be looking at the theme for the first half of December for you, and then I'll be looking at the second half through oracle cards. And then separately, I'll be looking at your career and your relationships in the whole month. So I'll try to pick up as much detailing as possible and I'll pick up a guidance for you at the end of it. All right. So let's see, Libras, what's up with you for the first half of December. First 15 days of December, what's coming for you? First 15 days of December, Libra. Chop wood. So I think first 15 days of December, Libra, for you, it is not really going to be very fast moving. It will be slow and there are things that might happen slowly. So it's a slow process of things. You might be taking one day at a time, and in fact that is the advice to you also, that you should take one day at a time in your situation, because you're moving in the direction in the right path. The path is there, but it's not like you have arrived or you know what exactly it is. But that practice of yours of taking things slowly one day at a time is actually taking you to a better place. All right. Now, having said that, I'm also seeing somewhere that there will be a lot of things that you will feel pushed towards, like you should do this, you should do that, or probably accept certain things, leave certain things behind. Those energies, you will feel it in you, and it is going to be quite strong in you. Okay, you will feel that, all right, I should do this, or I mean, I cannot leave this, or this is important. You will get that energy of doing things one day at a time, okay, because it is important for you. And somewhere I'm picking up that you are a little protected. Like maybe if you feel a certain energy which is keeping you going, it's that energy of protection. So this is the first 15 days of December. Now let me see the second half, which is 15 to the 31st of December, or whatever, 16 to 31st, second half of December. What is the energy like? What's the energy like for second half of December? Unfinished symphony. Something will come back. Probably on the 10th of December. Oh. You will get something. Okay, either this is a sense of understanding that what exactly is yours and what is not. That clarity will come in you, and you would know what exactly are you looking for in your life. So that clarity, that conviction is what I'm picking up is coming in you. Okay, I am also seeing somewhere that there is a sense of you miss something in your life, and basically that you're keeping it inside you in the first 15 days. You're still moving with your life, but there is something missing, and that missing factor is going to come to light here. Okay, it'll start to show up slowly, and you will understand What exactly are you missing, and what is it that you need to do, okay, so that it doesn't feel like that, okay? It doesn't really pinch you too much. That's what you're getting to. That is where you're getting to, okay? And with the yin energy, I'm seeing that this energy of yours of like taking one day at a time and not reacting too much is bringing the desired results. So it's a good month for you, Libra. That's what I'm seeing. Now let me see for your career. How does your career look like in the month of December? How does your career look like in the month of December? Ace of Swords, Seven of Wands, and Five of Wands. Okay, regarding your career, don't get into conflicts. I don't see a major conclusion here. But what I pick up from here, from this spread, is that don't get into any kind of a conflicting situation. I see that if you have some partner or if you have a friend whom you're doing a business with, then it'll kind of come to a problematic state. But you're being asked to keep your calm. Don't come to or jump to any kind of a conclusion right away, because it will not take you anywhere. Okay? I am seeing that you got to be patient in terms of your career for this month, because there is a chance of upheaval, there's a chance of not feeling very good. You might land up feeling that, okay, you're being disregarded, or nobody's listening to you, you're not being treated fairly. Don't react in the whole month of December when it comes to your career. Okay? Now that's for your career. Let's see your love life in the month of December. How does that look? Your love life in the month of December, how does it look like? Patience and planning. Okay. Material and spiritual prosperity and wisdom. So I think you are becoming clearer about what you want in your life and what you don't. I still see you single, by the way. And you'll be planning certain things. Now, this could also mean that your focus is entirely going to be on your career and entirely on what is it that makes you stable. So, your stability is important. Okay, so stability is something that you're going to run behind, and I am seeing that somewhere you will look for answers to a lot of things in your love life. I'm not seeing progress. Okay, if that is what you were waiting for in this reading, I'm not seeing progress. I'm seeing more of standing strong and focusing on things at the moment which need your focus. Your focus is not going to be love life for the month of December, which is what I saw. Okay, I saw that you will take one day at a time, and right now your energy or your vibe is changing, and you're becoming more towards things that are stable, grounded, and mature. You're not running behind any kind of frivolous energy. You want things that really comfort you from inside and don't make you uncomfortable at all. So that's where you are at in December. All right. Now let's see, what is the advice for you for the month of December? What do the angels want to tell you for the month of December? Archangel Raphael, I'm bringing forgiveness. I ask you to forgive yourself. I also bring forgiveness from the person on your mind. I'm by your side, surrounding you with my healing energy. I'm setting things right. Don't worry. So I think you are in a situation which is calling for forgiveness, and it is important so that you feel happy. So please practice forgiveness, practice giving, okay? Try, obviously not over giving, but just practice to not hold any grudges against anyone, because that is important at this point. All right? Okay, Libras, that's what I have. Let me know in the comments. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me, and I will see you soon with more readings. Do let me know. And the details for reaching out to me is given in the description box below, so you can check that out. And I'll be back with more readings. Take care. Bye bye.